This is crazy, bro. I can't believe I finally did it. Wow. Wow. Alright guys, so I'm currently on my way to show my friend my car. I know he's gonna be dumb excited. He works right here in this little warehouse. All I gotta do is turn right there. I know he's gonna be so excited for this car. He loves this car as much as I do, so let's see what reaction we get out of him. It's gonna be fun. Good look, it's a Nismo plate number. I know I gotta do a little bit of cosmetic work here, but it's pretty clean, not gonna lie. It's okay. And go a little GoPro view. Wow, I can't believe I literally bought the car. And the check engine light is on for the O2 sensors because this car does have test pipes by Z1. But guys, other than that, car is mint, pretty mint. The number one problem that I gotta get used with the car is because it's so low, guys. The car is so low. Like the front is so low, I scrape on everything. So I gotta be very cautious with where I drive and stuff. Like speed bumps and stuff like that, yeah, like I'm gonna take them. Something else I gotta watch out for when I'm driving is that you guys see my rear bumper is super low, so I gotta look at the other cars so I make sure I don't hit it versus a sidewalk thing. So yeah, I gotta watch out for that too. Ah, damn, he saw it. Damn, he saw it.
I think I don't know you right now. Oh, I knew you got it, bro. You swear I don't know you already. When'd you get it, today?
Yeah, I just got it.
Damn, bro. The bumper is so sexy. Holy shit.
You
think about how does it feel? Holy shit, I'm in a Nismo, dog.
That rattle is killing me. He enjoyed it. He liked the car. We went to go eat something. Right now I am going to see another one of my friends to surprise him with the car. So let's go. I was reversing into the driveway. Oh no, I already got shit on it. Oh, hell no.
Bro. Holy shit. Dude, I fucking knew something, bro. I fucking knew it.
That just happened.
That's a fat shit, bro.
I'm gonna get your hose right now. Pinga.
Damn, dude. Oh my god.
Ahí está.
So clean.
Ahí está la bestia.
So fucking clean.
Dude, I literally scraped the whole thing coming up here. Oh, nice shoes.
Gracias.
Can't be having these bird shit. Come on, get up. Getting that scrub in. You already know. Man, look, the front end looks nasty. Oh my god. Pretty clean. Dude, I literally cannot get over how aggressive the front end looks. That shit is wild, bro. Holy. The boy Fishy's enjoying cleaning this car. Well, try to clean it up somewhat. The paint is just still a little tacky, a little dry. Definitely gonna need to get a paint correction and start. You guys can see that. It's like the soap didn't do anything really, but it's better than nothing. So definitely gotta get paint correction and wax it and stuff. That's definitely the move because the paint is still good. The paint is still good. Just maybe need new headlights. I gotta adjust that a little bit. He had the eyelids before.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's like that. Got a little dent here. You know, it's not really perfect. Got a door ding right there. Let me see. I'm gonna show you guys. I got a scrape right here. You know, it's an old car, 2008, so it's not gonna be in perfect conditions, but it's somewhat mint compared to other ones I've seen. So I think I got a good deal. It has a little bit of wear and tear right here. No biggie. Never really complain much about things like that because the car is complete. So yeah, we're gonna see. And I get it corrected. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil on it. Put some coolant. Yo, I don't know why I thought you were peeing. Oh my god, wow, I'm weird. First gas fill up right now. Have a little. Filling her up for the first time. Thing was on E. Came out here to a little abandoned spot. Well, not really abandoned, just empty. You know, we gotta take those pictures. I put Fishy, he got it with the gram pics. Damn, fool. Is that a Nismo dude? I can't get over that. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's crazy. You set your mind to it, guys. Easy work, easy money. Set your mind to it. Thick ass tires, fool. Stock ass guy. So my boy just called me that he's on his way. We're gonna see his reaction to the car. Yo, this thing looks crazy, bro. I can't get over it. I really can't get over the car. Cause it's a loud ass car. He just got it tuned.
Yo, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Does it have a lip on it? Like
Comes like that.
God damn. Talk about downfall. This shit is fucking beautiful. Yo, that shit fucking. I was like, what the fuck? That shit's crazy.
Dude, I've had it for a week now. I'm playing.
Oh, really?
No, I'm playing. I got it yesterday.
Oh my god.
No, comes like that.
What the?
They're huge, yeah.
Jesus.
It's stock exhaust.
Already like 3 inches.
Alright, so we're about to get in my boy's G37. He got it tuned last night, so we're gonna get my reactions of it. Oh my lord. Oh my god, yo. Holy shit. Alright guys, just left Walmart. We got it some essentials. By that we mean like an oil pan. We got some coolant. We got the oil filter. We gotta do that oil change on the Nismo real quick because that oil is black, boy. So we're gonna get that out the way. We got this little, I forgot what they call it, like a sunshade thing, whatever. Because I sold it on my other Z and I forgot to stay with it. That's on me. That's my fault. Oh, the phone's not open? Under the car right now. Gotta open this up right here too. Change
My tool bag.
oil filter and to drain it out. Gotta open this. Hey, yo, this is so dope. Hold up. There we go. Hello?
How we doing?
Ah, fuck my life. Alright. Damn, it did not have a lot of oil in it.
For real?
Thank God I didn't go fast enough.
I can hear my rod knocking.
I think you did those donuts yesterday.
Wait, this is
Yo, today's the $1 Krispy Kreme donut, bro.
Alright, so we couldn't take that oil filter out for our lives. We all tried. So we're gonna go to Napa right now and get that little tool thing, my jiggy. We're all riding out on the Fiat. Fiat 500. Let me hear this turbo on this thing, boy. Damn, boy. Hey, Jumbie. Finally got the tool. Gotta eat first, though. Gotta eat first. 10 years later, we have to go back because that thing that we got didn't fit, so we got this one. I like it way better because it got the job done. So here we go, oil filter. 10 years later. You see, and Alan was scared that was a lot. Oh shit, never mind. We have more. It's not that much. Literally took us an hour. That should have taken us at least 15 minutes tops. Bueno, ahí. Oh, that thing was empty, boy. That thing sounds like it's like.
Yeah, bro. Thirsty as fuck.
Alright, so got everything up to date. Got the oil in. Moment of truth. We're gonna turn it on, make sure everything's good. Make sure I'm not in first gear because I do not want to go flying.
I used to do it, and then one time I was supposed to the garage door, so I turned it on, and I was like, I'm never doing it again.
Making sure everything's good on here. I gotta make sure the oil pressure is still good. Even though I think the Gali gaskets are still pretty good on this car. I think the previous owner did it. And it's only at 98,000 miles, so. Just gonna check up on her. Let her run down. Let her heat up to normal temperatures and see if there's any leaks or anything.